Hello guys, it's Mokubeye. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to link or how to add Amazon affiliate link to your Facebook page. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to create your Amazon affiliate program account. So I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box below to show you guys how to create your Amazon affiliate program step by step. So after creating Amazon affiliate program, you simply need to sign in into your Amazon affiliate program account. So I'll simply click on what? Sign in. So after that, you simply need to insert your email address or your telephone number, and after that you insert your password. Once you're done with that, you simply click on what? Sign in. So it is going to take us to your Amazon affiliate program account. As you can see, this is it. So after that, you simply need to go to the Amazon account. You simply refresh your browser or you open a new tab. So guys, that's it. Depending on your country, that's is it here, various languages. That's it. So if you want to copy a link from your Amazon affiliate program to your page, you simply need to choose the product you want to copy. So guys, I'll be choosing this iPad, after which I'll simply click on this shared button here. After that, I'll click on what? Copy link. So I'm going to paste this copy link to my Facebook page. I'll click on new post. I need to paste it. So after which I'm going to click on post on Facebook. So guys, that's the Amazon affiliate program link that we are just pasting on our Facebook page. So you can simply add this link to your Facebook bio. So I'll click on edit, after which I'll paste the link there. I'll click on save. After that, I'll click on share now. So guys, that is actually the way you actually link your Amazon affiliate program to your Facebook page. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below if you face any difficulty doing this. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.